Thank you, Leslie, for the invite and the introduction. Hi, everyone. I am Yusminata Pilatu, and I am a research scientist at the Center for Deep Sea Research, the National Research and Innovation Agency, Paraldebri in Indonesia. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to improve human capacity for deep sea research in Indonesia. First off, some quick facts about Indonesia. Indonesia has the fourth largest population number globally in the world right now. In 2023, we have around 277 million people, most of which residing in the western part of Indonesia, notably in Java Island, where is also situated the capital of the nation, which is Jakarta. As a maritime country, Indonesia's area is marine environment, for about 70% of it, from which 23% is deep sea area. If we define deep sea as the area where the water depth is equal or more than 200 meters. So 50% of deep sea area is situated in eastern Indonesia, which complicates the task of developing deep sea research due to its remoteness from the capital. So as a developing nation, Indonesia also faced the similar challenges faced by other developing nations in developing deep sea research in Indonesia. The first one is limited adequate infrastructures for deep sea research, because we are accustomed for doing research only in coastal area and also in high seas, but not many available equipment in the country is adjusted for deep sea research. The second one is limited funding. The third one is stricter regulations or bureaucracy, notably concerning foreign researchers permit, and then also concerning technology or equipment that could be brought into the deep sea research in Indonesia, and also concerning data sharing policy. The fourth challenge is the lack of skilled scientists and opportunities in deep sea research. Now, this challenge is also highlighted in the Global Deep Sea Capacity Assessment Report published in 2022, notably concerning the Southeast Asia region. So, what can we do to improve human capacities in deep sea research in Indonesia? The first one that come to mind is the research collaborations. Some examples I featured here. The first one is Triumph. Triumph was the collaboration between Indonesia, China, and US, starting from 2017 and was ended in 2022. And it was focused on oceanographic physics. The second example that I highlight here is SHADES. SHADES was the collaboration between Indonesia and Singapore in 2018, focusing on exploring the biodiversity of marine organisms from South Java Deep Sea. So I featured here is the principal investigator from the Indonesian sites, and here are some of the specimens successfully collected during this expedition. The third example I feature here is the Ocean X expedition at the Indonesian Exclusive Economy Zone that is planned to be held in 2023. Other solutions that I can think of to improve human capacities are training opportunities abroad, be it for early career researchers, such as in my case, or also younger generations like graduate students. And the third solution is mentorship. The fourth one, I think it is about time to do some substantial changes in the national education curriculum to put deep sea as one of the main topics that should be taught about. And the last solution that I can think of is the outreach to young generation about deep sea. So for example, here I had the privilege to do outreach to junior high school students about deep sea research in Indonesia. So to conclude, I hope that we can collaborate with the global deep sea communities to increase human capacities in deep sea research, not only in Indonesia, but in other developing nations also. I think it's about time that we embrace the ocean decade spirit, which is nobody left behind. Thank you for your attention.